Hey YouTube, Vermont Prepper here. I just want everybody to check out the new wiper arms and blades that I got for my M1028. And I know there's a lot of traditionalists out there that don't like to really modify anything on the vehicle. I'm not that traditional, but I don't mind modifying the vehicle as long as it doesn't take away from the character of it, at least in my opinion. So I don't think that changing wiper arms takes away the character, and these wiper arms allow me to adapt the best wipers that I feel are for the winter here in Vermont. If you guys have been following my M1028 restoration or modifications, you noted that on my way back from the Hillbilly Wizard, where I got my gears my differential re-geared, there was a major snowstorm, and I had to stop at least every 20 miles to take the ice and snow that kind of accumulated on these original wiper blades, and I had to remove it. So let me try and I'm going to switch hands here so I can focus. This is the type of connection on the original wiper arms and blades. This is standard Rain-X blade. It's not one of the ones that are rated for winter. Would work really good in the south, but not here in Vermont. And you see this connection right here. It's called a bayonet style. It's sort of like a little tab that goes all the way through, and you see that hole. There's a little nub that connects right into the hole of the windshield wiper. Well, the style that I want from Rain-X, this style right here, it's a silicone blade, and it does not have a tab option. So I had to actually change the wiper arms, which actually the wiper arms look pretty nice on there. And this wiper arm has what they call the pin. And the pins are really easy to install and uninstall, and it allows me to have this style of blade. On the Blazer, I kept the original wiper arms. It does have the Rain-X Latitude, which is, I think it's basically the same thing as this, but not silicone. So I'm going to see what the difference is. I mean, the Rain-X Latitudes work really great, but I really wanted to get silicone to see what this was like. So I've been having the truck warm up, and I'll just try the blades right now. It's the first time I'm trying them, actually. So they work pretty good. Very happy with it. Also, you guys check out my seat cover I got from Cover King. Pretty awesome. Wanted to show you that as well. Took me about 2 hours to install, but I got it installed. I mean, it's really hard to reach underneath the seat to tighten down and cinch down the straps. Alright, so that's it for the video. I appreciate you watching, and as always, keep prepping. Vermont Prepper out.